Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This week I'm switching things up. I did not make any cards this week, but instead I'm going to create a super easy autumn wreath using a grapevine base and some gorgeous fall flowers. So if you're decorating for the season or you just love a quick and beautiful DIY, you're going to love this one. Really quick, really easy. So let's get started. So I have a bunch of flowers. I got mine at Hobby Lobby. And if you do, make sure you get them on sale. They're 40% off this week. And then, every 2 weeks or so, they repeat their sales. So just be patient and get them when they're 40% off. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the stem. So I'm just going way up here to the very, very, very top. And I got some wire cutters here, and I'm gonna get way up there at the top and give it a good squeeze, and takes a little bit of strength, but if you get way up there at the top, plus if you use it in the right spot where the cutter is, it's a lot easier. Okay, so there you go. So I am going to do that with several of the flowers, and then I will be right back. I'm going to bring in my grapevine wreath, and I have an 18-inch, kind of a big one. So I've got 3 of each color, and I don't think that's going to be quite enough, but I just wanted to get an idea before I cut any more. So I'm going to go ahead and cut 1 more of each color. So I will have 4 of each color. Okay, guess what I found out on my very last flower? That you don't need to cut them. All you need to do was to pull them really hard and they come right off. So there you go. You learn something new every day. Okay, so I have all of my flowers arranged. So I have the cream colored, the orange, and the green, and then I just repeated that all the way around. So now all I have to do is put a bunch of hot glue on here and attach it to my wreath. So I'm going to go ahead and do that really quick. Okay, so now I'm going to take some of the leaves that came on each stem. Again, these just pull right off. I'm just going to put some glue on the bottom of the leaf, and then just put it behind some of these flowers. So I'm going to put glue on both sides. So some of it will go on the grapevine and some of it will go on the flower. Okay, well, done doing all the leaves on here. So there you have it, a really quick and easy wreath. Like I said, I wanted a great big one, so I did a 17 or 18-inch grapevine wreath, added the flowers with glue gun, quick and easy. If you wanted, you could add a ribbon. I'm not going to add a ribbon. I think it's beautiful just like it is. You could even add a little sign with Hello Fall. You get that at the Dollar Tree, something cute like that. But that's it, really quick and easy. Probably took me, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, not very long. So I know you can't see the whole wreath here on my video, but make sure you jump on over to my blog. I'll have a great big picture of the wreath. I'll tell you how many flowers I used, the colors that I used, the wreath size. I'll give you all that information over on my blog. Do want to mention that Stampin' Up! Is offering free shipping on orders over $75 from today. It starts today until October 24th. So it's a great time to stock up on lots of goodies. And that's it. Thanks so much for crafting with me today. See you next time. Don't be shy. Stamp and shout.